In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Dropbox account with Outlook, seamlessly integrating these two essential tools to enhance your productivity and file sharing capabilities. So let's dive right in and take you step by step through the process. First off, open your web browser, whatever your favorite one might be, and head over to Dropbox.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If by any chance you've forgotten your password, no worries. There's a handy reset option available to help you get back in. After logging in, just take a brief moment to make sure you're on the home page where you can easily navigate from here. Now, let's direct our attention to the top right corner of the sidebar. You'll see various options there that are perfect for managing your files efficiently. You want to find the More button located prominently on this sidebar. Go ahead and give it a click. A drop-down menu will pop up for you, and from this menu, your next choice is the App Center option. The App Center is a really useful feature within Dropbox that contains a range of third-party apps, all designed to boost Dropbox's functionality. In the App Center, you'll see a search bar at the very top of the page. Now type Dropbox for Outlook into the search bar and then hit Enter. This will pull up the Dropbox for Outlook app among the search results. Once it appears, click on it. You're going to see a page that explains the details about what this integration can do for you, primarily allowing you to send Dropbox files through Outlook seamlessly. To move forward, you're looking for the Connect button on this page. Give that a click. By doing so, you'll be taken through a brief setup process where you might need to approve some access permissions. Don't worry about this step. It's standard procedure when connecting apps, ensuring a secure integration between Dropbox and Outlook. Finish up the necessary steps, and then simply hit Done to close the setup wizard, taking you back to the Dropbox homepage. Alright, now it's time to see the integration in action. Let's go back to the main page of your Dropbox account, browse through your files, and locate the one you'd like to share via Outlook. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. A menu will pop up, offering several options. Select the Share option, and from the subsequent menu, choose Outlook. This selection will automatically bring up your Outlook email interface, already pre-populated with a new email message. You'll notice the subject line is ready for you to edit, and a link to the file is included in the email body. All that's left is to enter the recipient's email address, whoever you want to send this file to. Once you're happy with the content of your email, click Send, and that's it. You've successfully sent a file from Dropbox via Outlook. With these steps, you can effortlessly share files with colleagues, clients, or friends, leveraging the combined power of Dropbox and Outlook. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.